Hello everyone, welcome to Code Black's YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna look onto how to clone a GitHub repository. This is yet another video in the GitHub video series, and if you want to know more about the GitHub and to learn the other features of GitHub, I will give you the link in the description where you can see my other videos in this GitHub series. Are you all excited about today's video? Let's move on. So what is cloning a repository? Basically, cloning is making a local copy of our online repository into the machine which we gonna work or which we gonna edit the code. Basically, this is what we do. We will take a copy of the code which we have stored in our online repository, which is contributed by many others, or else which we use to store our codes. By making a copy, what we can do? Do you know, or do you have any idea of it? What is the use of this? Is there any advantages of making a copy to your local machine and editing on that? Yes, because this helps you to keep track of the changes and to share the codes easily, and also this will help you to access your code from anywhere. So I'll make it more simple. This helps to keep the track of changes. Whenever you use a GitHub clone repository in your VS Code, the VS Code will always keep track of the code which you cloned the original copy. Whenever you make changes, it will pop up in a side and let you know that what are the things which is changed from the original thing which you copied this or cloned this repository from. And also this will help you to go back and forth of the code to track the mistakes or else to correct the mistakes which you made by doing changes. Moreover, the additional advantage is whenever you do these changes, you can either decide to save it in your repository, or else you can send this code to the main repository where everyone gonna contribute the code. So are you all excited to see how this is done? Come on, let's see how it is done. Now I'm in my homepage of my GitHub, and what I'm going to do is, I have all the projects which I have in my repository. What I'm going to do is I just select this one. This is a code which I have uploaded into my repository. When you press this green button, you will be having few options to clone your repository. In that, you can use your URL and do the clone using CLI, or else you can use the GitHub desktop, which I recommend you because it is easy to keep track of changes and do the pull request using this. Or else you also can download everything as a zip file. Today I'm going to do is I'm going to open this using GitHub desktop. After you select that open with GitHub desktop, it will ask permission to launch GitHub desktop. So when you give the permission, it will showing up a warning as like this folder contains files and Git can only clone to empty folders. Better do something like this. Go to a directory, open the folder and name it as you wish. Open it and give your repository a name, which is I'm going to give it as test, and it shows no errors now. So you will have the path here. And also I have another tip for you. So if you are using some projects which is served using XAMPP, it is always better to go to C drive, XAMPP, and you can use htdocs and clone your repository directly into this. So this will gives you more capability of like contributing to the project, as well as using the XAMPP to serve your project on your local host. Will give you more control over the project. So now everything is set to be cloned. So I press the clone, so you can see that it is downloading everything from the website. So it's almost done. So once it is done, you will get a page like this, which initially says like I haven't made any local changes. Basically, once you clone a repository, you will be getting three options. One is to open using Visual Studio Code, or else you can leave it on GitHub in your browser, or else you can show it in the Explorer as well. We're gonna do editing to the code, so I'm choosing Visual Studio Code here. So once I press that, so you can see here I have all my files. Now you can see it is like stored in my local computer, and also this is directly under tracking of GitHub. So whenever I make changes, I can easily save it in my repository as well. So hope like it gives you a clear understanding on how to clone a repository to your local machine. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you want to know more, please keep in touch with our channel. I will be uploading more videos on GitHub and coding as well. So if you like this video, please give us a like and share with your friends. So thank you for watching.